Hi. In today's video, I'll show you how to change a contact photo on your Android device. To get started, open the Contacts app on your Android phone and select the contact you want to edit. Tap the Edit button, which is usually represented by a pencil icon. Next, tap the current contact photo or the profile icon. Choose whether you want to take a new picture with your camera or select one from your gallery. After choosing the image, crop and adjust it as needed, then tap Save or Done to apply the changes. Your new contact photo will now appear whenever that person calls you or when you view their contact details, depending on your phone and messaging apps. And that's it, you've successfully changed a contact photo on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.